Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both the case and earbuds. Charge them fully so firmware and battery calibration begin cleanly. Once done, open the case and keep it within 1 meter of your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Press and hold the case pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals pairing mode. Your device will display Joyroom Airpods. Tap to connect. This sequence ensures a stable first link and triggers automatic reconnection behavior later. After tapping to pair, confirm any permission prompts so the earbuds can use microphone and media audio. Once paired, open the Bluetooth or companion app to select the audio profile and enable features like single-ear use or low-latency mode if available. Test by playing a track and making a short call. Adjust ear tip size and seating for bass and mic clarity. If audio drops, move closer and remove interference sources. Proper configuration locks in best sound and reliable microphone performance. For normal use, take earbuds out to auto-connect and return them to the case to power off and charge. If you encounter connection problems, perform a full reset. Place both buds in the case and hold the case button for about 10 seconds until the LED sequence indicates reset, then repair. Also check for firmware updates via the Joyroom app and install them. If sound persists oddly, clean contacts and retry. A reset plus update fixes most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.